2024 Audi A8 Grand Sphere new model replacing the A8. The 2024 Audi A8 would likely be replaced by a new Audi Grand Sphere, which is designed as an electric vehicle. The A8 has been known as a reliable and luxury vehicle, so it is only logical to expect the replacement to have the same qualities. The A8 won't be phased out immediately, but considering that Audi is focusing on its EV development, it won't be bothered focusing on the gas models. The 2024 Audi A8 Grand Sphere would be 5.33 meters in length, which is longer than the current A8. This four-door vehicle won't be incorporating the long bonnet. The size seems to be developed and focused for the passengers, enabling them to feel spacious and comfortable. For the design, there would be a flowing crease from the bonnet along the body to the tapered rear end that can disguise the cab-forward style. This vehicle has aerodynamic body shape. The big rear spoiler is meant to smoothen the airflow going to the rear cameras and windscreen, replacing the conventional wing mirrors. Read complete about this on carjade.com, link in description and comments.